Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in the series of quadratic equations we are discussing the word problems, and this is the part 2. In the part 2 we will see few more questions that are asked in the final examination. So here is the first question on the screen. 7 years ago, Varun's age was 5 times the square of the Swati's age. 3 years hence, Swati's age will be 2/5 of the Varun's age. Find their present ages. Friends, first we will assume the Varun's age and Swati's age. Let the Varun's present age be X years and the Swati's present age is Y years. Then by condition 1, what we get 7 years ago, the Varun's age will be X minus 7 and the Swati's age will be Y minus 7. And the relation between these two ages is given as that 7 years ago Varun's age that is equal to 5 times the square of the Swati's age. 5 times the square of the Swati's age. This is the condition given to us. So Varun's age is what? X minus 7. So it is X minus 7, which is equal to 5 into bracket Swati's age. Swati's age is what? Y minus 7. So it will be Y minus 7 bracket square. So friends, here take the 7 to this side. So you will get it as X is equal to 5 into bracket Y minus 7 bracket square. This minus 7 will become plus 7. So it will be plus 7. So let this be equation number 1. Now we will see the condition 2. Condition 2 states that 3 years hence Swati's age will be 2/5 of the Varun's age. So 3 years hence, what will be the ages? 3 years hence Varun's age will be X plus 3 and Swati's age will be Y plus 3, and 3 years hence the relation between these two ages is given as that Swati's age will be 2/5 of the Varun's age. So Swati's age, that is Y plus 3, Swati's age is 2/5 of Varun's age. Solve this further. So here Swati's age is what? It is Y plus 3, which is equal to 2/5 of here Varun's age, that is X plus 3. Now here we will put the value of X from the equation number 1. So you will get it as Y plus 3, which is equal to 2/5 of the value of X we are putting, that is 5 into bracket Y minus 7 bracket square plus 7. This is plus 7 and plus 3. Now simplify this to get the value of Y and nothing more. So it is Y plus 3, which is equal to multiply by 2/5 inside the bracket. So it will be 2/5 multiplied by 5 into bracket Y square minus 7 bracket square plus 2/5 into 7 plus 3, that will be 10. So simplify this further. Y plus 3, which is equal to this 5 and 5 will get cancelled, and this is 2 into bracket, take the square, this will not be square, so it will be Y square minus 7 2s are 14Y plus 7 square will be 49 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and 2 twos are 4, so it will be plus 4. So solving this further, it will be y plus 3 multiply by 2 inside the bracket, so it will be 2y square minus 2 into 14, that will be 28y plus 49 into 2, that is 98 plus 4. So this is y plus 3, which is equal to 2y square minus 28y plus 98 plus 4, 98 plus 4, that will be 102. Now solve this and write it in a standard form. So you will get this as 2y square minus, this is 28y. If you take y to this side, that will become minus y, and that will be 29y. Now you will take 3 to this side, so it will be minus 3, 102 minus 3, that will be 99, so plus 99, that is equal to 0. Now split the middle term to get the factors of this quadratic equation. So if you take the factors, you get the factors as y minus 9, y minus 9 into another bracket, that is 2y minus 11, which is equal to 0. And therefore y is equal to 9 and y is equal to 11 by 2. 11 by 2 cannot be the age, so it is rejected. And therefore y is equal to 9. Y is the age of Swati, and therefore Swati's age is 9, and so y is equal to 9. Highlight this. Now we have to find the x. So from the equation number 1 we can find x, and that equation number 1 is x is equal to 5 into bracket y minus 7 bracket square plus 7 from equation number 1. And now here you will get it as x is equal to 5 into y, that is 9 minus 7, 9 minus 7 bracket square plus 7. Solve this further. So 9 minus 7 will be 2, 2 square will be 4, 4 5s are 20, and this plus 7, so x, that is equal to 27. And therefore we have got x is equal to 27. Highlight it, and at the end write the answer, that Varun's age is 27 years and that of Swati's age is 9 years. Now friends, let us move to the second question. So second question is on the screen. A speed of a boat in still water is 11 km per hour. It can go 12 km upstream and return downstream to the original point in 2 hours 45 minutes. Find the speed of the stream. Now friends, here the speed of the boat in still water is given as 11 km per hour. So here the speed of a boat is given as 11 km per hour. That is in still water. So we will first assume that let the speed of stream be x km per hour. Remember one thing, that when we go downward, the speed of boat that increases because the speed of stream is added to the speed of the boat, and when we go upstream, the speed of the boat decreases because the speed of stream that opposes the speed of the boat, and therefore it becomes 11 minus x. And therefore here we can say that the speed of the boat in upstream, that will be equal to what? It will be 11 minus x, 11 minus x kilometer per hour. And that of the speed of the boat downstream, that will be equal to what? 11 plus x kilometer per hour. This is subtracted because we are going upstream, and therefore the speed of the stream that opposes the speed of the boat. While going downward, the speed of the stream is added up to the speed of the boat in a still water. Now we will find the time. So that friends, time taken to go to the upstream, total distance is what? It is 12 kilometer is the total distance. So time is calculated as distance upon speed. So distance is 12 kilometer and this is time for upstream. So upstream speed is 11 minus x. And the time going for the downstream, that will be equal to 12 upon 11 plus x. Friends, here the total time taken by the boat is 2 hours 45 minutes, and 2 hours 45 minutes, it means 2 and 3 by 4 hours. That is 4 to the 8, 8 and 3, 11 by 4 hours. So that total time will be 11 by 4 hours. So the time taken to go upstream is 12 by 11 minus x plus the time taken to go downstream is 12 upon 11 plus x, which is equal to, this total time is 11 by 4. So it will be 11 by 4. Now here the LCM will be what? 11 minus x into another bracket 11 plus x. Here we will multiply by 11 plus x, so it will be 12 into bracket 11 plus x plus this will be 12 into bracket 11 minus x, which is equal to 11 by 4. Now here it will be 12 into 11 plus 12x, and here 12 into 11 minus 12x. So plus 12x and minus 11 will 12x will get cancelled, and so it will be 12 into 11, that will be 132, plus 12 into 11, that will be 132 upon, this is a minus b, a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So it will be a square will be 121 minus b square will be x square, which is equal to 11 by 4. Now cross multiply. So this will be 4 into 132 plus 132, that will be 264, which is equal to 11 into bracket 121 minus x square. So which is equal to 4 into 264. So here you can solve this as 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, and 11 fours are 44. So that will be 4 fours are 16, and 4 twos are 8, and 1 9, that is 96 is equal to 121 minus x square. So solving this, it will be x square is equal to 25, and since x square is equal to 25, x will be equal to plus minus 5. Highlight this. X is the speed of the stream. So speed of the stream is x kilometer. Speed cannot be negative, so minus sign is neglected, and therefore the speed of a stream that is equal to 5 kilometer per hour. So friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.